Decisions made in China don't stay in China. They often travel thousands of miles, straight into the American economy. And right now, US companies are paying close attention. China remains one of the world's largest manufacturing hubs, supplying everything from electronics to everyday consumer goods. For years, American companies relied on this system because it was fast, efficient, and relatively cheap. But recent changes are starting to disrupt that balance. New regulations, rising production costs, and political tensions are making manufacturing less predictable. When supply chains become unstable, US companies face difficult choices. They can absorb higher costs, move production elsewhere, or pass expenses on to consumers. None of these options are painless. Many businesses are already adjusting their strategies, and those adjustments often affect hiring, investment, and long term planning in the United States. Jobs are closely tied to these decisions. When companies spend more to produce goods, they often cut back in other areas. That can mean slower hiring, delayed expansion, or pressure on wages. At the same time, shifting production away from China isn't simple. Building new factories takes time, money, and skilled workers. During that transition, uncertainty grows. Consumers also feel the impact. When supply chains change, prices often rise, especially for electronics, appliances, and everyday products Americans rely on. This isn't about panic or sudden collapse. It's about understanding how global decisions slowly reshape the US economy long before the effects become obvious. China's role in the global economy is changing, and the United States is adjusting in real time. For American workers and businesses, these shifts matter more than headlines suggest, because in a connected world, economic decisions made overseas often determine what happens at home.